everyone, welcome back! In this video we are going to discover Oisterwijk's bossen. We are also going to discover how they look like different eggs of different birds. This activity is organized by the association Natuurmonumenten, a Dutch nature conservation organization founded in 1905, which buys, protects and manages nature reserve in the Netherlands. We decided to go there by car because it's more flexible for this trip. It takes a long time sitting on the car, so I just take the chance to do a new challenge, yoga on the car. This is the first time I do yoga on the car. It's not easy because I have a very little space here, but it's really a fun way to kill time. Did you ever try this before? No, I think it's enough yoga fun for this video. I make a new challenge for myself and I enjoy it. So I receive claps for myself by myself in a special way, clapping with my feet. This grass building looks like a big snake sleeping, isn't it? Here now is a dirt tunnel above the sea water. Water, yes, you hear it correctly. We are under the water. So finally, after almost 3 hours sitting on the car, a big part of it is what we call the traffic jam. Here we are. We are going to sleep here tonight in this lovely place. Welcome to Oisterwijk in North Brabant. It smells so good. Now we are going to take part in a beautiful activity in Oisterwijk. It's located in a beautiful forest in North Brabant. We are very lucky today because the sun is shining. Look. Wie ben je?
Ik ben de paashuis. Nee, ik ben de paashuis van Oisterwijk.
Yes.
En ik verkoop heel veel lekkere paashuisjes. Ja, lekker eten.
Nummer 6, hè? Ja. Jay, bijna allemaal goed, Jay.
Let's follow the Easter hare and see how she makes the delicious Easter eggs.
En zal ik die dan voor je... Jullie mogen komen zoeken.
So this is how the Easter hares makes delicious Easter eggs.
Ik zal even een kaartje pakken met een linkje waar je net de was sturen dan.
We are going to visit the buckfish carries full different animals of this forest in Brabant. Welke dier is deze?
Dit is een steenwachter.
Steenwachter. Ja, dan gaat misschien op Google kijken.
Een eekhoorntje en dan
Ja.
hier 2 vossen. Dat zie je ook aan de tanden. Zijn tanden. Dit is een reebokgeit.
Ik weet niet welke dier dat is.
Hier is een mol. Een muisje. Dit is wel interessant, want dit is een braakbal van een uil. En dan als de uil de muisjes eet, dan verteert hij het vlees en dan de botjes die braakt dan uit. En dan komt dat zo eruit. En hier zit dan bijvoorbeeld wel 4 of 5 muisjes.
Oké.
Alle
Interessant.
scheeltjes, die zitten eigenlijk al in die, kun je een beetje weer terugvinden.
Oké. Zij ook van de muizen of van welke dier het is?
Ja, dit zijn ook muisjes.
Oh, muizen.
Ja.
Verschillende soorten van muizen.
Sorry?
Er zijn verschillende soorten van muizen.
Ja, dit zijn wel zo goed groot, zijn allemaal wel muizen.
Oké. Oeh. Zo klein.
Ja, dat kan ja.
Yeah. It's a good idea of these buckfish wild animals because normally they will hide from human, so we rarely can see them by our own eyes literally. What a dreamy day in the forest when the sun is shining. also in the winter, is magical. Let's start our journey discover how the eggs of different birds look like, starting from the building of the natuurmonumenten. What a special place to make hive. So lovely these bees, aren't they? They are absolutely one of the hardest working workers on earth.
Ja.
Now let's enter the forest of the Oisterwijk to find the eggs.
Van de knobbelzwaan. Schrijf maar, Bima. Mama, tada! Eend.
Goed gedaan!
Maar nu moeten we nog de andere.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully.
Now let's continue to discover how many different eggs from different different birds we have here. For me, it's a very good and interesting way to educate our children about the nature. And not only for children, but I myself find it very interesting too. Thanks to taking part in this activity with our tribe, I learned that the eggs from birds are not only in white color, but can be blue, red, brown, etc. Can be big like my handgrip or smaller than my finger.
Ik wil hem gewoon in en als het niet lukt, dan is het niet goed.
Mantelmeer.
An amazing day
Bravissima,
in the
goed
nature.
zo.
I hope you have a lovely time watching. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe and turn on the bell to discover more with us. I will see you next time.